Don't touch the shape I mentioned. Ready? Heart. Square. Diamond. Heart. Square. Circle. Diamond. Rectangle. Square. Circle. Next. Next.
Next na?
Ready? Kamay sa dibdib. Heart. Oh, galing.
Thank you.
Ay, dapat kasi ka. Don't touch the shape I mentioned. Ready? Square. Heart. Diamond. Rectangle. Square.
Mali!
Bye. Break. Ready?
Go!
Don't touch. Heart. Square. Ay, binibit na.
Sa akin,
Ready? Circle. Heart. Square. Ready?
Brainy.
Square. Heart. Diamond. Square. Pabak mo. Wala.
Dawai sa dibdib.
Don't touch the shape I mentioned. Ready?
Don't touch.
Square. Sige, ano lang. Ready? Heart.
Tikin na lang.
Diamond. Tiplagaw. Ready? Square. Heart. Ano big exercise mo? Take two, yung mga loser. Loser, 200 na lang. Loser, 200, loser. Go. Kamay sa dibdib. Square. Heart. Rectangle. Diamond. Next. Loser. Ready? Heart. Square. Diamond. Heart. Square. Circle. Heart. Diamond. Square. Circle. Heart. Rectangle. Up. Okay.
Dapat mas mabilis.
Dapat mabilis ha. Rectangle. Heart. Square. Circle. Diamond. Heart. Rectangle. Square. Heart. Diamond. Square. Heart. Rectangle. Circle. Ang galing. Ngayon mo lang na-realize ha.
Talaga linaingan ka mo.
Yung talo.
Yung talo daw.
Yung talo.
Nanay pa inaba.
Mayang, talo.
Ay, kung na nag-prinaw. Bibito naman yan.
Mabibigyan. Ready?
Focus ka na.
Square. Heart. Circle. Diamond. Square. Heart. Diamond. Circle. Square. Heart. Circle. Square. Diamond. Heart. Square. Square.
Nanay nga, sinapatan mo.
Dua ni nanay. Oh, sige.
Sige, kantsawa mo.
Kacau amat. Una na lang. Ready. Ready. Heart. Square. Up. Na-touch na yung heart.